Hello there. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. Obviously haven't done an airsoft unboxing video in like 10 years time, in 10 years. But the reason why I've started buying guns again is I'm starting an IPSC Airsoft Action Club. And I bought these cheap guns to use in that club. So these are the Vorsk Defender Pro Double Pack. You can see it's quite a large box. You know, Vorsk aren't known for making like the best quality guns in the world, but I needed cheap guns that can just be used without worrying about them. So I bought the double pack. Basically, there's no other review of this set on YouTube apparently, so it looks like no one's bought it. Couple of details on the front. You get this little thing here, collectible stainless steel with numbered dog tags included. And they are two-tone. I don't have a valid permission for the RAFs. That's fine. So I'll open the box. It's quite cool. So at the top, you got the manual. Includes a parts diagram and just some basic stuff about airsoft. You get two Vorsk Velcro patches, and then the guns. So these guns come with a lot of stuff. So one thing, if each gun comes with one of these, it's a tool for removing the barrel. But, you know, it's kind of pointless because you don't really need that to do that. And then in here, you've got the dog tags. Whip those out quick. So they're quite good quality, actually. And each one has a serial number. And just like Vorsk stuff written on it. So, focus. There you go. But yeah, that's that. And you've got things like, okay, so the guns themselves have big compensators on them, and you can swap them out for like a standard barrel bushing. So you can do that, which is cool. Comes with a CO2 conversion kit, which includes the piston and then the spring. They also have a spare gas piston for each gun, so that's pretty cool. You've also got an extended mag for each gun and a standard mag, so the double pack actually comes with 4 mags, which is really cool. The capacity of these is enormous, so that's good. Take a gun out. There you go. So a lot of people say with these guns is that the slide is made of aluminium, and it's not the strongest in the world. They've been known to split, so we'll see how that goes. These guns themselves actually have a real wood grip, which is crazy for the price. But then compared to like my other guns, I've got an AAP01 and a Tokyo Marui Desert Eagle. These have a lot of like rattle to them. The other ones are silent, so the tolerances aren't great, but there you go. But yeah, it's not a bad package. It's quite cool the way they're sort of boxed like this. And then, you know, having all of the spare parts, the CO2 conversion kit. Yeah, it's really cool. One thing I did note about these guns is that when I got them, all 4 mags had gas in them. Which, yeah, I don't know. I've never ever had an airsoft gun delivered with gas in the mags, ever. Which is weird. Like fully full gas mags. Like I got a number of shots out of them. So, actually, let me just demonstrate that. So I haven't taken out this extended mag on this side yet. So, I think it's kind of hard to do this with one hand. So I haven't taken this mag out yet. I'll put the extended mag in. Cock it. See? That's a lot. You know, I can kind of understand like a tiny bit of gas just to sort of keep the seals going or something. But yeah, I don't know. But, you know, these things have quite a lot of kick to them. They feel good in the hand. They have all the features you'd expect out of a 1911 style gun. They're fully metal. You've got a beaver tail safety, you've got the sort of thumb safety there. They come apart in exactly the same way as any other 1911 would come apart. take out this slide release there, and then the slide comes off, and then you can undo this and take the this off just like that. So I don't understand why you need the tool. Like, it seems kind of pointless if you can just, well, saying that you can do it with your hands. There you go, it's back on. So but yeah, don't know what else to say about them really. They're all right. It's quite a nice box. It's got like a sort of magnetized latch on it. But yeah, more airsoft videos to come, I expect. Just yeah, I bought these. It was a good value pack for the two. And yeah, like I said, everything is twice. So dog tags, you've got 2 packs of dog tags. I just don't. Yeah, I kind of don't understand. Oh, okay, yeah, I didn't realise it says Defender Pro on there. I don't really get why you need those. They're kind of nice, I suppose, but yeah, a bit pointless. And then yeah, the same thing with the barrel bushing tool. It's not really needed, but there you go. I thought these were like stands or something when I got the guns, like you could display the guns, but no, they're barrel bushing removal tools. But yeah, other things it comes with. So like I said, it comes with the separate barrel bushing if you don't want the extended one, and then a whole set of O-rings. So you know, it's questionable about how long these guns will last, and the fact that they've come with all these spare parts, is that going to be an issue? But then again, I'm only going to be using these for target shooting at a club. It's not like they're going to be taken out into a mil-sim sort of thing and used constantly. But yeah, I suspect dry firing a gun doesn't do it much help. But oh well. There you go. That's that. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye bye.